What's up, blockheads in the garage today? And today we're going to be unboxing and looking at the Atlas 2.0 from Ruroc. So as usual, the box packaging looks absolutely great. Mix of flat black and gloss black textures. We've got the helmet, we've got a visor, we've got some, looks like some stickers and some documentation and some really important silica gel packets. Oh yeah. Bag for the visor. Ruroc ships with a tinted visor. And you guys will notice on this one, we have the ability to use pin lock. Got a shockwave included, Bluetooth. Same as the previous gen, will fit in this new one. That is the Ruroc Atlas 2.0. Very similar to the 1.0, but there's a lot of perfections that they did, such as one really important one right here, toolless visor option. So you don't need a tool like on the last time around. Twist, comes right out. Which is something that we need to do since we're gonna be changing to the dark visor. So this is the new visor mechanism area compared to the last one. You guys will notice this has two little like kind of barbs on it. Lines up with those. So just, and then turn. That's it. That's awesome. Same with this side. And turn. Easy. Nice. You guys see that? There's multiple locking points. Closed. Next one up. Next one up. Next one up. It is still compatible with the shockwave, which is inserted right there. ECE rated, so DOT and ECE. I'm not going to be riding with it in this video, but the next video we will be doing a first ride impressions. So the next video you guys see will be me riding with this helmet and giving you guys my thoughts and updates on the changes that they have made. So let's go over the full list of changes here. So they're basically reporting that it will have less wind. So less wind noise. That was one of the bigger things of feedback in the version 1 that I was talking about. So they're saying less wind noise. I believe they accomplished that by something with the ear vents here. I think they said they closed them off possibly. So yeah, less wind, which is a huge perk. It's still a lightweight Italian carbon, as they say. So it's a very lightweight helmet. One of the biggest things that people say whenever they pick these things up is just like, oh my God, it's so lightweight. So still just as light. DOT and ECE approved. It has been crash test rated. So as you guys can see there, Ruroc Atlas 2.0 DOT certified and ECE R2205. It has the quick and easy buckle. We're gonna whip out the helmet donut to check that out. It still has the same buckle as last time around. which is called the Fidlock buckle. You guys can see here, I absolutely love this buckle system. Just clicks right into place. So they actually say that this is rated the same strength as D-rings, but man, that's huge to me. Like, there's been a number of times that I've used that Fidlock system whenever, you know, you put your helmet on and you forget to do the latch. And then if you have normal D-rings, you have to basically take your gloves off. So there's been a number of times where like I've, you know, noticed that it's not done in traffic. And then you just, you know, flip it over, clicks right into place, you're good to go. And then taking it off, it's as easy as pulling that red tab. That's it. For the ventilation control, you are able to open and close the chin vent, as you guys can see, this little piece here. So open and close. They also have these new emergency helmet pad removal. So, you know, if you do get into an accident and they need to remove the padding in order to remove the helmet, they can basically pull on these tabs. Whenever they pull on those, it removes the padding. You can get a custom style in terms of the visor. This is the tinted visor. You can integrate it with the Shockwave, which is the Bluetooth speaker system that you can connect to your phone. This isn't a communicator, so you can connect it to your phone, use it for GPS, use it for listening to music, stuff like that. And I think like taking phone calls. It does have the pin lock capability, so as you guys can see there, it has the little posts for pin lock, which is basically like this layer of thin plastic that you would fit into there, and that basically seals a layer of air between this visor and that little smaller insert, and it keeps it from fogging up. I absolutely love pin lock. It's one of the things that I preached in the last video talking about the first review of their helmet. So one of the things that I said in that video a while back was that this company is hungry. They are looking to basically make changes and make a quality product. And, you know, you could just kind of get that feeling, and, you know, just by meeting them. And they wanted me to send all of my feedback. And guys, they have they have done so much in terms of the feedback that I had said, as well as the rest of the community had said. You know, the toolless visor removal being one of the big ones, pin lock being another big one, multiple locking points for the visor being another big one. They've redesigned the EPS, so it says you basically have an easier entry. So with the last one, with the 1.0, some people did say it was a little hard to get the helmet on. So they've basically redesigned the EPS liner so that I guess it's a little bit easier, which is good. Now I'm gonna be trying it on here in just a minute. They actually have a different head positioning. So they've changed up the chin guard area. The visor now locks. So as you guys can see here, there's a little pin right there. And so whenever the visor comes down, it locks down. You could probably leave it there for like more of a city mode if you wanted to, but then that final little latch down and then just click. Regarding the visor, they also have a new visor seal. There's a new seal basically around, you can see here. And then there's the new visor ratchet system. So basically as you open and close, like I said earlier, it has multiple locking points. So it's more fluid. So they basically re-engineered this entire system. That is just a badass looking helmet. Once again, big shout out to Ruroc for the collaboration. Greatly appreciated. Can't wait to put this thing on, go for a first ride. Vents in the top. Exit vents back in here, so we can go pull these things out. Also, new thing in this one over the other one is that you actually have the snaps in the headliner. So it snaps in. That's cool. Yes, love that. And this rear piece tucks in right there and snaps here. Nice. A couple of snap locations there. Oh, that's cool. Little embossed logo. The spot for that, for your microphone. That liner is much easier to remove than the last one. Let's go ahead and get it back in real quick. Padding's all back in. Also, another thing to notice is along the crown here, there's no like push tabs. So you basically won't have any pressure points on the inside of the padding right there. So that's really good. Well, let's try it on real quick. Yeah, much easier to get on as compared to the last one. So I'm a size extra large. This fits perfect. Not too big, enough space in the chin area. Fidlock, works great. Just opened up the instructions that are in the package that comes with like the stickers and stuff. which are pretty cool. And it's a poster on one side, poster, and on the other side, basically everything you need to know about the helmet. Anyways, there it is, guys. Hope y'all have enjoyed the unboxing and the first look. The next video that you guys see from me will be me wearing and riding with this helmet. And we'll do a first thoughts and impressions video, first ride video with it. We'll compare it to the last ones. Bad thing about matte black is that whenever you touch it, you know, it gets that fingerprints on it, so I'll have to clean that up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are looking to scoop one of these up and you want a discount on them, be sure to use my discount code, which is Blockhead. Check out the description down below for the discount code. I'll be sure to link it down in the description. This episode is brought to you guys in part by Ruroc, so big thanks to them as always for the collaboration. Greatly appreciated. Really looking forward to getting this thing out on the road. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon also so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.